tired of people being really annoying to you, then you should buy the remote control. Because people like this old guy are really annoying. Gobble, gobble, gobble. So, me and my sexy girlfriend over there are going to show you the problem to solve that problem with the remote control that can control random people like this random turkey dude. And let's see the remote control. You can get a remote control. It's a delightful design with the word "we" on it. You can control people. You could turn off their heart with a power button. And you can make them kill themselves or even kick people. It's a wonderful design. I'm going to make it punch somebody. I'm going to make it punch itself. Punch. Haha. And also, if you buy this wonderful design, you could get one. It's not all. You could, if you get this, you don't really have to get in black if you don't like black, because you could get in white. Or if you're just not a black and white person, you could get it in another color. And guess what color that is? It's pink. For you girls out there, could get pink. And or white. Or people, you could get a pink one, white, or black. 3 wonderful designs. And also, if you get one, we can also do something wonderful. Really wonderful if you buy one of these, because whatever color you'll get, you could get 2 of them. Isn't that amazing? And also, you could also buy something that makes people walk. The remote control helper. It's a wonderful design. You could get it in black. And it plugs in perfectly. Don't you see the plug? And also, if you buy this, you could get you don't have to get it in black, because you could get it in white. Amazing. And also, if you buy one of these styling things that can make people move, then you could get a very good offer. You could get 2 of them. Aren't you surprised? You could get 2. And also, to be even crazier, you could get 3. Look at all this. You have to say, that is a hard work making all this. And you could finally control guys. Let's test it out. While you're waiting for me to plug it in, look at my girlfriend, and she'll just say crap, probably. Yo, what's up? Loopy's connecting the things, so as he's gone connecting, you get to watch me say crap about how sexy he is. But not for now, because I'm already fixed it. And now, you can now use it. We have a wonderful design. And then, now let's try to control that dude. Walk off a cliff. And also, you can get triple your offer on white remotes, actually. Amazing. It can be. So buy it for $9. And the phone, if you want to buy this wonderful offer, you can buy it for only $500. And also, that you only have to call 545-435-6789 4321-568. And also, you could get, if you buy it, you could get a random kid in a sock. Remember the magical phone number that will lead you to buying a remote control. Buy it. It's a wonderful offer. Only at you could only buy this at the Loopy Pug. At the Loopy Pug factory, yeah. It's a wonderful deal. Meanwhile, on Action News. Hello here. I am Blue Sock Monkey, Action News host. And remember that someone put on a commercial, Loopy Pug put a commercial about control remotes that looks like this. We also had things that could move people, and it looked cool. Well, actually, someone bought it and tried to control someone into giving them a cookie, but the controls went out, and they went out of control, and it instead just made the control person to get a knife and throw it at the person who was controlling. So they died. And Loopy Pug was locked in bars after that. But it's fun holding these things, but do not use them. And also, they make a circle of a wire. And the person who died, who bought it, was this monkey with a sock. Could you believe that the dude on the commercial actually died? But Loopy is right there, inside the wire circle. And we are about to kill Loopy Pug. You're gonna kill me? Yeah. That's it for Action News. See ya on another dumb commercial. Or not. That's it for Action News.